Sometimes in some Instagram reels or posts, when you're looking above, you can see two accounts name. It will be shown as one account and another account. This post is created using collaboration feature in Instagram. In this video, we'll be telling about how to create a post or reel in Instagram using collaboration feature. For this, first what we need to do is take your smartphone and open Instagram application. After opening Instagram application, what you need to do is down here you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that, above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. Here you can see some options, reel, post, etc. If you want to post one reel, click on this reel, or if you want to post photo, click on this post option. For example, I am clicking on this post option. After this, what you need to do is select the photo or video which you want to post using collaboration feature. For example, I am selecting this photo. After that, above you can see arrow mark. Click on this arrow mark. And now you will reach a new page where you can edit this photo. If you want, you can edit this photo. Anyways, after editing, click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see one option, tag people. Click on tag people. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one option, invite collaborator. Click on this invite collaborator. After this, enter the profile name which you want to collaborate with. For example, I am entering one profile name. When you are entering that profile name, you can see some suggestions. From these suggestions, you can select the profile. In my case, I want to collaborate with this account. So I am selecting this account. After selecting that account, what you need to do is above you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. And after that, you can post this video or photo. When you are clicking on arrow mark above, that post will be posted. Here you can see that post. But the thing is that if you are looking above, only one profile name is shown. That is because second person has not accepted that request. Now what the second person needs to do is they want to open their profile, and down they can see profile button. Click on this profile button, and when you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Here you can see one option, tag people option. When you are clicking on that, you can see that post here. Just click on this post. When you are clicking on that post, here also you can see only one profile name. Down here you can see invitation for collaboration. Here you can see review option. Click on review. When you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Here you can see three options, accept, decline and not now. If you want to accept this for collaboration, just click on this accept, and if you don't want, you can decline it. Anyways, I want to accept this, so I am clicking on accept. When you are clicking on accept, now above you can see two accounts name here. And one more thing is that in my account in post section, before this post was not there in my main page. Now you can see this post in my main page. So this way you can create new reels or post in Instagram using collaboration feature. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.